I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Austrian potato salad. Now, an Austrian potato salad has a lot of the same wonderful ingredients as a German potato salad, the mustard and the red onion and the vinegar, but it also has cornichons, which are small pickles. So I'm going to start with some red potatoes. I've cut them in bite-sized pieces and boiled them for 5 to 10 minutes. You want them to be cooked all the way through, but not so soft that they start to break down. A red potato is a great potato to use in a potato salad. A russet potato is not such a great potato to use because it gets kind of mealy. So save this one for baking, use this one for potato salad. These are the cornichons. And I'm just gonna cut them in small rounds here. I'm going to add a little bit of red onion, some mustard, red wine vinegar, salt, and then I'm going to use just a little bit of fresh dill. Fresh dill really elevates a potato salad. And there you have an Austrian potato salad.